this is Module 6, Lesson 1. If you're on your problem set, then that means you've completed Module 1, Module 6, Lesson 1 in Zearn. So let's take a look at the directions. First thing we need to do is identify the action that needs to be completed. The action here is we're going to have to circle. What are we going to circle? We're going to circle groups of 2 apples. Now there's one more important word in here we need to be careful of, and that is the word two. So I know now that I have to circle groups with 2 in each group. Go ahead and pause the video and circle your 2 equal groups. Okay, your groups should look like this. 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. Then my sentence would be, there are blank groups of 2 apples. Well, I know I have 2 in each group, so if I count, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 groups of 2 apples. Look at problem number 2. Now you need to go and complete number 2 on your own. Before you go, let's look at the directions and analyze those. My verb, circle groups of 3 balls. So I know I'm going to circle, and I'm going to circle groups of 3 balls, and then my number in here is 3. So this tells me that I'm going to circle groups with 3 in a group. Pause the video and circle your groups of 3 and then write your number sentence. When you're finished, press play to check your answer. There are 5 groups of 3. You should have 3 balls in each group. If you don't, go back and change that. All right, let's take a look at number 3. We're going to read the directions and analyze them for understanding. So we have to redraw the 12 oranges into 4 equal groups. When you're redrawing, you can simply just use circles to represent your objects. So we've got 12 oranges. Our power word, our verb is redraw. What do we redraw? 12 oranges into 4 equal groups. I notice that I have numbers. So we're going to box in 12 and we're going to box in 4. So I have 4 equal groups, and then I have 12 oranges to box in each group. Go ahead and redraw your oranges into 4 equal groups. When you're finished, you still should have a total of 12. Alright, so to do this, I'm simply just going to count out 12. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 4 groups, and in each group there are 3 oranges. Number 4. This time you're going to redraw oranges into 3 equal groups. So my verb is redraw. What am I going to redraw? 12 oranges into 3 equal groups. I have a number word here, which is 3, and I have a number here, which is 12. So pause the video, and this time I want you to draw the oranges into 3 equal groups, then complete your sentence. Okay, so you should have drawn 4 oranges in each group, because there are 3 groups with 4 in each group. All right, let's take a look at number 5. Let's analyze our directions for understanding. We have to draw flowers to make each of the three groups have an equal number. And remember that equal means same. So if I have 4 in this group, I'd have to have 4 in this group, 4 in this group, 4 in this group, 4 in this group, 4 in this group. So equal means the same. And I have 3 groups. So redraw the flowers to make each of the 3 groups have an equal number. Okay, so we need to count to see how many flowers we have total. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I know that there are 9 flowers, and I need to have 3 groups that are equal amounts. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So when I go back and look to complete my sentence, I have 3 groups of 1, 2, 3 flowers, and 3 groups of 3 equals 9. Right? I'd like for you to do number 6. Make sure you go back and analyze your instructions, directions for understanding, and then complete number 6, and then press play to check your answer with mine. Alright, so I have a total of 20 lemons, and I had to divide those lemons into 2 equal size groups. When I did that, they gave me 10 in each group. So 2 groups of 10 gives me 20 lemons. Now take this paper to Ms. Day, and she will let you know if you're ready for your exit ticket. Good luck.